What's up and welcome back to the video. So as you guys can see, I'm here at ADV Leisure again today. It's a bright and sunny and warm Saturday morning. Summer is here, guys, so yeah, it's time to get those bikes and boats ready for some leisurely activities. If you guys follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you would have seen that we've got our mural done on the wall here. We've got all the bikes on the walls and all the display bikes here. So I thought I would do a little bit of a shop vlog for today because the hand is still down, so can't really do much riding content. So what we're going to be doing, we need to PDI these two bikes, go through them, bolt check them, check all the spokes, levers, all that good stuff, make sure they're ready for sale. I need to clean and do some stuff on the race bike. Claude got this pipe blown out and fitting absolutely nicely. This neck portion of the pipe was absolutely flattened out. But what we need to do now, we need to fab up a little mount for the exhaust hanger here. We've got the 450 demo bike. It's leaking a bit of fuel, so just got to give that a good clean and just see what's up with that. And we got to clean the little kiddies bike, or the two kiddies demo bikes, because yeah, they're on the floor and they're dirty because we've been using them, so need to get that done. And yeah, then we have our retail display here. This is just a display, so you come and check out what we have here. You can fit the clothes or the jerseys, check out the goggle bags, helmets, hats, whatever. Then you let us know what you want and we order it up for you. And then we've got all the brand new Moto Pro models, from the RF250 all the way to the RR450. So yeah, I hope you guys stick around and enjoy watching me clean a bunch of dirt bikes and work on my race bike. Okay, so it's Sunday. Yesterday we did not get much done. I did manage to get the KO KT250 race bike and the Moto Pro RR450 demo bike and the kiddies bikes pretty clean. Not perfect. I still need to do a bit of work on the KO and the RR450, and I need to PDI the two kids bikes, or the two Poozies. But yeah, I'm quickly going to knock out a little product review on the KO KMB60, the smallest kiddies bike of the range. I'm going to post the video individually on YouTube, but basics of it, it's a 60cc 4-stroke carb fed little kids bike. It's got cable discs front and rear. It's got an e-start, so yeah, if you guys are keen to get your kiddo on a little bike, super sweet little bike, and a crazy low price of 11,750 bucks. So if you want to teach your kids how to ride, that's definitely the way to go. So let's jump into the quick little product review. Alrighty, with that quick little product review done, it's time to PDI the two Poozie kiddies bikes. Alrighty, so we totally ran out of time at the shop to work on the bikes, but in the last clip I got the kids bikes PDI'd and they are all sorted and set for delivery for that customer. And yeah, this is gonna kind of lead into a little quick tangent before I touch on all the work I did on the KT250. I did not quite conceive, nor was I prepared for kind of the amount of work in between, like still having a day job, managing a business, trying to create content, you know, working on bikes, and having to compete with rolling blackouts thanks to our wonderfully incompetent government, but we will get a hang of it and the content will start flowing a bit smoother. And of course, as soon as my hand is healed up, we are actually set to do a little fun Dero / race a week after I'm cleared for competition, or cleared or declared medically fit, or whatever you want to call it. But in the meantime, we've got a little deep clean video coming on a KLX 450R that we're going to be putting up for sale on our showroom floor, so stay tuned for that. Zane is going to be doing some riding footage for us, so there will be more action-packed content coming soon, and then obviously the up-and-coming race. I just wanted to do a quick little shop vlog. You know, it's not really anything significant, but I have to start kind of getting in a mindset to kind of start getting creative in that space, because moving forward we are going to be doing more stuff there. So there's going to be more shop vlogs. Some of them are going to be boring as hell, some of them are going to be action packed, but please be patient and stick around. I appreciate all of you that support the channel and that have supported the bike shop. I seriously appreciate it. So yeah, bear with us, we'll be making some improvements. Now, as I mentioned, on this bike we had the expansion chamber repaired, so there's a couple of things we had to do around that. It's kind of dark in there, but I managed to just bend the tab on the expansion chamber itself, and it lined up a bit better with the mounting tab on the frame. Then I also threw a fresh gear lever on it because the old gear lever was completely stuffed. And then probably the most obvious thing, as I sit down here on my garage floor, we got a new hide guard for the KT250. Now this is a KTM 200 one, and it still did not quite fit up. I had to remove this part, rotate it forward, drill some new holes, and the KTM 200 one was actually a bit too long, so I shortened it by about 10 millimeters, and I tried my hand at some plastic welding. Fortunately it's fairly dark, but it's definitely solid, and the two split pieces of plastic are glued together again. How strong it's going to be, we'll find out. Maybe I ruined a brand spanking new bash plate, but anyways, that bit of protection is still better than nothing. Now I know the guys from Bike Shack in KZN, they have produced their own bash plate for this bike. I need to get one of those so we can test that out. Just looks like an awesome product, but it does not protect the exhaust, so we're gonna have to fabricate like an exhaust cage or something for the exhaust. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. As I said, not really an action-packed video, kind of random, but you know, I'm trying to remain consistent with the uploads, or as consistent as possible in my absence with the broken wrist. And yeah, I appreciate the heck out of you guys for supporting me all this way, and for sticking with me in the future. Yeah, that's it for this video, I suppose. If you feel like I deserved it, hit that like button and hit subscribe, and maybe share it to your mates. If the channel grows, you know, we can help the sport grow in South Africa. That's always been my goal. That's why we sell affordable bikes. Yeah, I want to see the sport grow, and if my following grows, that gets passed on to other dirt bike YouTubers, because we oftentimes collaborate. And yeah, support all your local dirt bike YouTubers. Peace out and keep ripping.